Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add timesheets in Xero. So, all you have to do is head over to Xero.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Normally, you should be able to see timesheets under this settings, but if you're not an employer or have the same settings as I do, you can just head over and click on projects, then click on time entries. And from here, you have an option to add time to your projects directly from Trello. And you can also start with new time entry. And from here, all you have to do is fill in all the details, starting by choosing a project. So, say for example, we're just going to add in Luna Cave. Then next, choose a task and description, but this is optional. And also enter time as duration or start and end. And of course, if you choose duration, you're going to add in a timer here. Or if you're going to choose start and end, you're going to add in start time and end time. And also add in the date for this specific time entry. Then, once done, you have an option to save and add another, or simply just save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!